Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a fall inspired makeup look. Now I know some of you guys are not excited about fall, but I am. I've been ready, I've been waiting. It's my season, the time is finally near, and so I wanted to just do a really cute warm burgundy reddish tone, brown tone makeup look. So if you like this look, you want to see how it all comes together, then definitely keep watching. Okay you guys, let's get started. So today I wanted to just channel fall. I know some people are like, it's not fall yet, stop trying, but let me tell you something. Fall is my favorite season, okay? My birthday, the weather, the outfits, the look, like fall is everything to me, okay? And so I just really wanted to sit down and do a makeup look. It's fall inspired. We're gonna play in the Profusion Sienna, oops. Let me drop in my water. The Profusion Sienna palette. This is a good starter palette. You can get this at a Walmart or a Target, but you can see within the colors here. I'm gonna really play into like some of these deeper shades here. And I think I wanna also go in with, let me see. Yeah, in the Morphe 35D Desert Bouquet, I wanna play in with some of like these plums. So I'm gonna just wing it. I will walk you through step by step kind of how I achieve this look. But let's get into it. So I have my mirror here. If you see me looking this way, I'm looking at my my large mirror, so I can make sure I'm looking right. My skin is very textured right now, very dry. If you know, you know, if you've seen my vlogs. So first things first, we're gonna go in with my primer, and I'm gonna go in with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. Pull my hair back a little bit more. So we're gonna put this all over. I did do some moisturizer and stuff before I got on camera, but I'm just gonna put that on. I'm gonna kind of slowly spread it and then pat it. I would love to know from y'all, are you guys like big fall baby girls like me? Do you feel like we're rushing it and everyone needs to chill out? Because I don't feel like that at all. So I'm just curious how many of you guys that follow me love fall and want it to come as soon as possible, or are just like over it and just want it to come when it comes. So comment below. For my brows, I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. brow pencil. This is the Ultra Precise Brow, and I don't think this is the, I think I got this in like a warm black, like a soft black. Ooh, guys, my brows look so good. I am a sucker for great looking brows. Like I just, ooh, okay. Yeah, we're gonna go in with the Huda Beauty concealer. I'm gonna just use a little bit of this to clean up under my brows. I don't take too much, but I just take a little bit of that, and then I just clean it like a nice, and then taking just my concealer. This is very old, as you can see, like just broken, but I'm just gonna take that and blend it down onto the lid of my eyes. Okay, so for foundation, we're gonna go in with Oldie But Goodie. This is the NARS Soft Matte Soft Matte Foundation. Literally by far one of the best foundations that has ever existed in my life. Like the coverage is insane. The just, oh, it's just so good. It's so good. I love this foundation so much. Yeah, I have nothing but great things to say about the NARS Soft Matte, and then I'll do a little bit more on this side. So for concealer, we're gonna go back in with the Lip Bar concealer, and then we're gonna go back in with the Huda Beauty one and do a little bit there. Alright, and then going back in with my concealer brush, I'm just gonna pack in let's go ahead and do blush. I'm gonna go in with this putty blush. This was by e.l.f. This is in the shade Bali, which is a nice, like a deep, kind of like deep orange, as you can see. So I'm gonna take my sponge, something like this, and I'm just gonna like swirl it around, swirl it again, and I'm just gonna pack it right here. Now, before we do anything else, we're gonna set our face. I've been really into the Huda Beauty. This is the Cherry Blossom setting powder. And so you can do a couple of ways. I like to go in with a powder puff, but I also like to go in with a a brush. You have that, and you tap all that excess off. So it looks kind of crazy, but and then you set. Okay, so for contour, we're gonna go in with, normally I would like a deep one, but I'm gonna go with the F18 by Revolution, their foundation stick. I'm gonna use this as the contour. And so what you'll need is a brush, and I'm just gonna apply it from the brush. I'm not gonna go on with the stick. And I'm just gonna go upwards. And so taking my powder puff, I'm gonna actually take some one size setting powder. This is the translucent shade, so it's basically like skin. I'm gonna pat that up, and I'm just gonna carve out right where I contoured. Okay, so let's spray really fast, and then we'll get into the eyes. Okay, so like I mentioned, I want a berry, kind of like a berry makeup look. So we're gonna go in and play with these two palettes, the Sienna and the 35D Bouquet. For the Sienna, I'm really gonna play in with these browns, and I like this color called Madly, and a little bit of Outspoken. So that's what we'll use to get everything started. Alright, so I'm gonna take Groovy as the brown, and I'm just gonna make that my transition shade. I'll zoom you guys in a little more. I'm gonna take Madly, and I'm gonna just go right under where I just put that brown. You can already see like pretty color. Okay. That's literally the only two colors I want from that palette. Everything else is gonna probably fall from this palette. So in this palette, I want to make this a little bit berry. So I'm gonna really play with these two colors right here. So to start, you have the base. You wanna go in with a kind of like a fluffy all over brush, something like this. And I'm gonna take the color Mojave Heat with this brown called Hot as Ever, and I'm just gonna make that my inner corner lid shade. I'm not taking too much, and I'm just really bringing it from the inner corner to the middle of the lid. This is like reminding me of like fall leaves, and it's so cute. Now taking a, I forget the type of brush this is, but taking something like this, I'm gonna go in with that deep purple, that rich clay, and I'm just gonna smoke it out back here. Oh, that's pretty. And then you kind of see I'm angled, and I'm just kind of going into like a little bit of a triangle motion. But that's pretty. Okay. Okay, so that's the eyes. I think this is so pretty. A part of me wants to do something sparkly, but I really want to just, I'll keep it matte. So that is the eye look. Let me see if you can see it. But you see the shades of purple, you have that brown, you have the orange, very maroony, very burgundy, very fall. Let's go ahead and do our mascara. Y'all only knew how many times I've stabbed myself in the face with this mascara. It's insane. All right, let's do lashes. So for lashes, we're gonna go in with our, you can do these. Let's go in with these. Okay, so let's get our lash glue. Okay, I think I got them on, and that they look good. Okay, so, ooh, me and lashes, y'all. All right, I want to go over this makeup look with a few different things. I'm gonna go back over my blush with the Mentor Cosmetics. This is Clay Too Much, I believe, and this is just a pretty brown, but I just kind of want to add a little more to that blush, and then I want to add a little more to the bronzer. So for the bronzer, I'm going to go with the Juvia's Place Deep Dark palette, and I'm going to really play in with this brown here. And so taking this, I'm just going to go up like that. I'm not going to go too much. I'm just going to go. The Juvia's Place is so pigmented, I'm not gonna have to go too hard. Let's carve this nose out again. We're gonna do a nude. The Juvia's Place lip liner in Cola, which is like a light brown. It's not as deep as Brownie. And then we're gonna go in with this mauve color. This is the color Danish by Jason Wu. Okay, ooh, who is this girl? Okay, yeah, I like this. Let me bring you guys in a little bit. Okay, so this is the final look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this makeup video. This is giving fall to me. When I think about the eye color, it's giving like rustic leaves, and I don't know, it just feels really fall to me. I like the color with the lip. I think this nude mauve purple just pulls in the purple from the side of the corner of the eye really well. And then my blush and my other products are really simple. So I just really wanted to make sure that the eyes was the standout focal point. I also think it matches my shirt. I'm wearing a TLC graphic tee today, so I think this kind of just complements that shirt really well. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. So again, I know some of y'all are not ready for fall, but I am, and I thought this was a cute way to just start getting into the fall makeup looks and the makeup vibe. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, make sure you're subscribed, and thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, friends, be well, do well, and be safe. Bye.